Hey guys, this is Vincent, and today I am going to show you how to remove and replace a car battery. I am working on a 2010 Mitsubishi Galant, and for this model you have to remove the upper sway bar. I'm using a ratchet and 10mm socket. You can now remove the upper sway bar. Always wear gloves every time you deal with batteries. And now I have to remove the battery bracket. Every time you disconnect a car battery, you always want to go negative first and then positive. You can now remove your battery. To install a car battery, you always want to go positive first and then negative to prevent an electrical damage to your car. Don't forget to reinstall your battery bracket. Check to see if the battery is nice and tight. We can now reinstall the front upper stabilizer bar. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.